I'm going to show you a quick video of the aftermath of yesterday's ride. Got a little messy. We went through some power lines near where I live right after a bad rainstorm, and man, what a mess. It was a lot of fun, but kept getting stuck. Everybody kept getting stuck. So we actually we broke some stuff yesterday. I broke my winch cable. Two other guys broke their winch cables. I had this thing buried up to the doors, halfway up the doors, I'd say, somewhere around there, up to my knees when I was sitting inside. And took probably a half hour to get me out. Normally I'm the one pulling people out, but it was bad yesterday. Hard to believe I was washing and spray waxing this a few days ago. So note to self, don't do that anymore. It's kind of a waste of time. But I lost a winch cable, got it really dirty, and I lost a tire and a rim. So time to wash her up and order some parts.